Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is a homemade hamburger helper beef noodle. So I started by mixing together a bunch of seasonings, which we'll go over in a minute. And then I have a cup and a half of boiling water that I added 3 beef bouillon cubes to and stirred that around until it dissolved. Then I took a pound of ground beef, browned that, drained that. Then I'm going to add the bouillon cube water mixture. I'm also going to add some milk. And then I'll add the seasonings in. So the seasonings, it was cornstarch, salt, pepper, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder. I have everything listed below and the link to where I found this recipe in the description box. So I did stir that around a bit. And then I added in the egg noodles. There's 2 cups of egg noodles. I stirred that and brought it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you can put the lid on it and cook it for about 12 minutes. And once it's done cooking, you can remove it from the heat. And I took the lid off and you just let it stand there for a little bit to thicken. Guess you could leave the lid on, but I took it off. And that's all there is to it. My husband and my kids both really liked this recipe. I thought it was okay. I'm not a fan of hamburger helper to begin with, but they really liked it, which I guess says a lot because they're very picky. So if you want to give it a try, I do have the recipe below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.